Hello, this is Joe from Live Automation. Today we're going to be covering the basics of setting up non-volatile memory in a Monitouch HMI. These instructions apply to both the TS and V-Series HMIs. For this video, we will be using Smart Editor. Let's open a new application. I'll make this a V10, 8-inch. Click OK. And I'll go without a PLC connection for now. We go down to System Settings and SRAM. Storage area for memo pad is for leaving written notes on the HMI. That won't be covered in this video. $L and $LD addresses are like $U addresses. They can be used just about everywhere in an application, but they have the advantage of having their values preserved by the coin cell battery in the HMI. The more you assign, the more energy it will require, but the lifespan is still measured in years. I'm going to assign 10 words of $L. For an initial macro, click OK to save and head on over to the macro settings and select initial macro. It's in System Settings, Macro Settings. And then we just double click initial macro. And then we see macro block 0, and we edit. I'm just going to paste in this code here. This will check the value of the first $L address, and if it's 0, it will then load these other values in. This operates on the assumption that if it's 0, then there's been a data loss, and that default values need to be loaded in. This also avoids having to manually configure the default values when you are setting up a machine. Now we can close this, click OK, and let's go to screen, and we'll go to screen 0. So now I'm at screen 0, and I will be placing a few numerical displays down. Note that I only assigned 10 addresses, so I can only use the first 10 addresses here. So we have that assigned. I'm going to multi-copy. And assigned 6, and device increment, step by 1, and we can now select each one of these. We'll see that it's incremented up to $L5. And I can now go to Simulator, open up, and we see that the values that I put in have been placed into those $L addresses. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button to see more content like this as it's released.